Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. In our previous session, we discussed the bits of the lesson The Lost Sheep. Today, we'll discuss the remaining bits of that lesson. First, grammar fun. In grammar fun, today we are going to learn about nouns. What is noun? Naming words are called as nouns. For example, boy, sheep, home, grass. These are the words that tell us the names of a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. Such words are called as naming words. These naming words are called as nouns. Now, bit G, choose the names of animals. Here, few words are given. You have to choose the names of the animals and circle them. First word, park. Second, cow. Third word, sit. Fourth, fox. Fifth, say. Sixth word, cat. Next, cry. And last, butterfly. In these, you have to choose the names of the animals and circle them. Come on. Pick out the name of the animals from these words, children. It's cow. The second word, cow. Fourth word, fox. And sixth, cat. And the last eighth word is butterfly. Cow, fox, cat, butterfly. These are the names of animals. They are called as nouns. Next, bit H. Choose words from the box to name the pictures. Here pictures are given and in the bracket few words are given. You have to choose the correct word from the box and write in the blanks under the picture. See first, what is the picture, children, there? First picture is girl. 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 Second picture, kite. 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 Third picture is bicycle. 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 Next, fourth picture, school. 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 Next, fifth picture is boy. 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 And the last sixth picture is a picture of animal. Come on, guess what is the animal? Which animal is there? It's hippo. Hippo. Next, now we are going to learn the singular and plurals. Here singular means one and plural means many. So look at the picture, children. Look at the screen. Look at the pictures and read the words. Here, see, one cat is there. So it's one. We call it as a single cat. So just we call it as cat. Now you can see the second picture, children. There, how many cats are there? 5 cats are there. So that means group of cats are there and it is more than one. So we call it as plural. Plural of cats. That is many cats are there. If many cats are there, then we call it as, we'll add s to it. S indicates that there are many cats are there. That means many items are there. So when only one item or one animal or one person is there, then we call it as, one is called as singular. When the number of items or number of persons or number of animals are there, then we call it as plural. That is many. And last we'll add yes to it. Okay, children. Now here bit I, make many words by adding s. You have to add s. If you add s, what happened? Singular will become plural. One will become more than one, that is many. One will become many. First one is boy. So add yes to it, then many words will be there. Boy, boys. B-O-Y-S, boys. Second one, key. The answer is add yes to the key. So it's K-E-Y-S, keys. Third one, lock. Add yes. So the answer is locks. L-O-C-K-S, locks. Fourth one, kite. So if we add S to kite, then many kites will be there. So the answer is K-I-T-E-S, kites. Fifth one, goat. The answer is goats. G-O-A-T-S, goats. Sixth one, plate. The answer is plates. P-L-A-T-E-S, plates. Once check your answers, children. First boys, second keys, third locks, fourth kites, fifth goats, and sixth plates. Next, writing. In writing, bit L, write one sentence about these animals. Look at the picture, children. 3 animals pictures are given. You have to write one sentence about each animal. See, what is the first animal, children, there? It's squirrel. Second animal is fox. Third one is rabbit. Now, you have to write one sentence about each animal. So first, squirrel. We'll write one sentence about squirrel. A squirrel likes to eat nuts. The sentence is a squirrel likes to eat nuts. Second sentence, you have to write about one sentence about fox. So the answer is a fox has a bushy tail. You can see in the picture, see the tail of the fox, how it is? It is bushy. So a fox has a bushy tail. Third one, rabbit. So how the rabbit will move from one place to other place? It hops. So the sentence is a rabbit can hop. A rabbit can hop. See the first sentence. A squirrel likes to eat nuts. A fox has a bushy tail. And third one, a rabbit can hop. Now I'll show you the video of the lesson The Lost Sheep. Watch and enjoy it, children.
The Lost Sheep. A little boy had a sheep. The sheep ran away. The sheep went into the forest. He saw some grass. He wanted to eat the grass. The little boy wanted to go home. The sheep would not go home. The boy began to cry. A rabbit came by.
Why are you crying, little boy?
I'm crying because my sheep has run away.
Don't cry, little boy. I can make the sheep go home.
The rabbit ran after the sheep. The sheep would not go home. Then the rabbit began to cry. A squirrel came by.
Why are you crying, little rabbit? I'm crying because the little boy is crying. His sheep has run away. Please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home.
The squirrel ran after the sheep. The sheep would not go home. Then the squirrel began to cry. A fox came by.
Why are you all crying?
We are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away.
Please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home.
The fox ran after the sheep. The sheep would not go home. Then the fox began to cry. A bee flew by.
Why are you all crying?
We are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away.
Please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home.
We cannot make the sheep go home. Can a little bee make the sheep go home?
The fox laughed. The rabbit laughed. The squirrel laughed. The little bee flew into the forest.
Buzz, buzz.
The bee will sting me. I must run.
The sheep ran home. Then the little boy laughed. He said,
Thank you, little bee.
Hope you enjoyed the video, children, and understood the lesson clearly. And today your homework is learn and write bit I, make many words by adding S, and bit L, write one sentence about these animals. Write these 2 bits in your notebook and learn them. Okay, children, that's it for today. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next session. Bye.